Hello, it's Tyler with Rusty Clam Garage, and it has been months since I have put out a video. So this video is to explain why that happened and what's happened since then, and pretty much what's going to happen with the channel going forward. So yeah, I won't be working on trucks on this one, just be a quick video. But anyway, yeah, so let's get down to it. Basically, January came. My kid's mom was going to be moving to do new work opportunities, stuff like that. So I was going to be taking all of my children full time, and I did right in the beginning of January. So with that whole schedule change and everything, on top of literally 20 weeks of like straight wet weather on the weekends, and I work full time during the week, basically just halted all progress on the trucks. I did still gather a ton of parts with full intentions to continue to make videos. When I had the time, I was so tired from everything that was going on that I just didn't have it in me to record videos, and it was so hard to get set up and get started that and then to think about editing it, that I just couldn't keep up. So I stopped doing it for a while and was about to get ready to start them back up. I actually have one episode recorded. I just hadn't had time to edit and process it yet, with Sean, where we got the two trucks running and kind of just like messed around with them a little bit. But yeah, so I didn't get a chance to edit that. Was going to, just things have been crazy. Summer's our busy time. We do a lot more with the horses for my wife, and my kids have all their birthdays April, May, and August. So it's just a busy time. My birthday's in May, my wife's birthday's in June. So it's like a lot back to back to back to back. So I just haven't had time to edit. And then unfortunately, earlier last month in June, we lost my kid's mom. She passed away, and that was a lot. And obviously I took some time off work, but my kids just kind of wanted to hang out with family, so I was left with some free time as they like went to their grandmothers and their aunts, and everybody just kind of spent time with them, and everything. So I really jumped into the truck, and basically, yeah, I'll just show you kind of what I've gotten done on it so far. So let's check that out. Actually, before we do that, let's do like kind of like a shop tour, and we'll talk about it while we get to like what I've done on it, because there's some things that have, changed a little bit. You might have seen it in my TikToks and my short videos, but first, yeah, let's talk about this thing I'm standing in front of. So this is my Temu garage. I intended to make a video of putting it up and everything, but it kept raining. So it took me a long time to finally decide I was just gonna put it up and deal with it. I got a bunch of stone buckets kind of holding everything down. It's lasted through 45-mile-an-hour winds. This thing was only like $130 or something like that. But yeah, so we have shelter from extreme sun, and I mean, you can see some of the work I've done peeking through, but shelter from extreme sun, rain, hail, whatever, temporarily at least. I mean, it's getting pretty sun bleached already. But yeah, it's actually been pretty great. So I've been using it a bunch recently. Also this is my junkyard, by the way. 20-ton press helped me do some of the brake drum work, pressing in the wheel studs. I picked up a bunch of tires, so those are kind of scattered everywhere. My yard is like just a total pit now. I just got these last night. You might see my TikTok about that one. It was my wife's birthday yesterday, so I was on Facebook just like end of the day. Those popped up literally next town over. Squarebody OEM wheels, like no brainer. Free. 9:30 at night, went out and grabbed them. These either free or I'm pretty sure these were free. I had some that were like 20 bucks, but these ones were free. And then actually these ones that were over here next to the clam, free. In the town that I live in already. I mean, they're dry rotted a bit, but they're going to be good, you know. They're going to be good for a bit anyway. At least not highway driving. Picked up some other wheels that didn't fit, and someone traded me this bumper. At least I think that's what I traded for. Yeah, and some metal for the clam too. This thing's just been sitting for a bit. I did pick up a carburetor to swap onto this one, and that's about it for that, other than some bumpers. I think I'm taking the bumper off that one and putting it on this, which now you'll be able to see the work that I've done, which is kind of a lot. I think we left off last time where that brake, we opened it up and it was completely gutted and we were missing a lot of parts. So I didn't have anything to put in it. I had to order a bunch of stuff, and it kind of halted us in place. And that's pretty much where we left off as far as like videos. So that whole week where I was home, kind of like going through it, stuff with my ex passing away, I literally got out here and I was working like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. until I couldn't take the mosquitoes anymore, just to kind of work through whatever. It was pretty devastating. You know, you go through life growing up with somebody. I mean, we were young when we were kids, like 20. You grow up with somebody, you're going to feel some sort of attachment to them, you know, even years later, especially if you had kids with them. So it was a lot to process. So one way I process things is shutting down and just hyper focusing on something I can get done. My current wife, Hannah, who's been in a couple of videos, is fucking amazing. Absolutely just like the most supportive person ever. And yeah, she's kind of helped me through the past month and stuff. Obviously, amazing help with the kids. I wouldn't have married her if she wasn't. And we've been together 6 years now, so everything's going good as far as like the kids and everything like that. We're all gonna be okay. But yeah, I was stuck out here for a couple days by my own choice, and I'll put in a couple clips I think I have of my son working on it. My middle son Ash came out and helped me sand a little bit of this, and the shocks also. There you go.
Okay, my turn.
I used a wire wheel, sandpaper, everything, stripped down the whole back of the frame, all the metal, got all the loose stuff off, and used the rust reformer. So we did that. We finished putting this brake together, drum brake. I used the press to get the studs in, and I put everything back together in there. Don't have e-brakes yet, but that's not important, as New Hampshire just passed no more inspections. Anyway, also put the gas tanks in, which was actually a huge step. Some fuel lines as well, up to the new fuel selector valve. So that's done. Filler necks are on. Yeah, and I'm moving on to the lines on the front and the brake lines, and then it's body work. So there's a lot coming. I'm planning on more videos. Obviously this one's like just an in-between, like figuring out what I'm gonna do. I didn't film myself doing this because I just came out here and started working. I didn't want to be slowed down. I didn't want to get interrupted by anything. I just kind of wanted to make some progress because things are happening and I need to adjust and just make the best of it and do everything I can. So I need to get these trucks running because we want to move to South Carolina next summer, before my oldest starts high school. We would like to be out of New Hampshire. It is way too expensive to live here. with kids, it's way too expensive to buy a home that has more than 2 bedrooms. I mean, like my house is like 600 square feet. The house down the street from me is like up for 300K or something like that. Get fucked. Yeah, I'm gonna go down south and do cowboy shit with my wife and build trucks and probably work for the rest of my life. But that's okay, because maybe I'll get a house with room for trucks, room for my kids to have their own bedrooms, and, you know, room to make shit happen. So anyway, this is the new shop. The Rusty Clam Garage actually has a garage now. So see you next time. New video soon. It'll happen. It's just a matter of it'll happen. It's just a matter of getting my shit together and starting at it again. So see you next time. Bye.